Alright, we got a little dirt bike here. The engine that's on this came off a four-wheeler that we have, but it's a kickstart, and so it was removed because the kickstart hit the back fender all the time. We gotta wire everything up and see if it starts. I have no idea. I know the engine hasn't been used in 5 or 6 years, and there's no telling how long it was since the dirt bike itself was used. All right, we're gonna wire this up. This is kind of a piece together. I got the bike frame from one place. The engine was left over off a four-wheeler because it was a kickstart. An electric start was put on it. So we're gonna go through how to wire this up. So the first place to start is we're gonna put this on here. This is for the computer. I kind of have the harness laid out. So that's like the CDI box. This is your wires. That's your ignition switch, your coil, where your spark plug goes, and this here buttons for the kill. All right, so we're gonna wrap this up here, slide this in. This is what controls your spark. Have the plug-in going down so that any water will fall back out of it. It would be better to wrap these down the other side. Those three wires go to the stator on the other side. This will wrap up. It'll end up being attached up here. The key switch looks like it's short, so we'll probably just have it right here by the underneath the gas tank. And the coil goes down through the center. The plugs into the spark plug. And then that'll go through there. We'll have to put a wire nut on there. We'll get these pieces bolted up, and then we'll get back with you. All right, so we got the computer, we got our wires here. The stator, we did have to wrap the wires around. I gotta get some new plugins. We got our coil pack mounted. We went ahead and threw a new carb on. We have to do some work to the gas tank. Got to get a new petcock for it. We got our kill switch, our new throttle. We can go ahead and spray some carb cleaner in here and give it a kick and start it. All right. And that'll probably be all till we get the petcock to go in the bottom of the gas tank. We still got to get a brake bar and hook the chain up and check out the brakes.